actually my first time ever playing this game. So let's get our first truck. Alright, we got our truck. Let's see where these tornadoes are. So, it looks like there's a lot of storms. What's the purple? Let's go over here. I think this is how it works. 140-mile-per-hour winds over there. So I guess we'll head over there. We gotta get there fast. Oh, the power's out. Look, the stoplights, they're not even on. We gotta turn around. I hate it when it's nighttime. Let's see where we are. No, we were going the right way. Dang it. So we have our little probe in the back. But I do also have another car. Let's go look at it. This is my other car I have. Those are the only two I have. Let's go check. Okay, so we're just going. The power's on over here. That's one thing. Power's on over here. We're gonna take this turn. You gotta use your blinkers. Ugh. I gotta turn my lights on. It is way too dark. Look how much lightning there is. Holy. Alright. Still heading over there. So apparently this storm is it's weakening out. It's weak. It's more weak. And if it does end, the next storm doesn't come for like 20 minutes. Or like 10. There ain't no way I'm gonna keep you guys that more bored. So if you guys want a part 2, I can't even speak today. If you guys want a part 2, make sure you like. Make sure you like. If we get this video to 10 likes, I will post a part 2. But I probably just will post a part 2, even if I don't even get 10 likes. This is my first video ever. Also, if you are seeing this, go follow me on TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. My username is Strike. And this is how you spell it. You spell it Strike. So, yeah. And just to let you guys know, I know it's not important, but I have seen tornadoes in real life. We gotta get over to the storm fast. I think we're gonna take this exit up here. Wait, what's that over there? Wait, if you guys see that here, look at my mouse thing. What's that over there? Is that a tornado? We might have a tornado. The winds are 12 miles per hour where I'm at. But I think we see a tornado. Power's on still over here. think we're gonna get a little bit up the road and then we're gonna turn and maybe we can see this tornado. Look how many storm chasers there are. There are so many storm chasers. Is he on fire? Holy cow. Sorry if I talk too loud. Oh, just right. Alright. So, oh my gosh. Holy cow. This is a very powerful storm. This storm is incredible. Look at 12 miles per hour we're at. Guys, look right there. That's what it says. Oh, look, it's a rotation! It's a rotating up there. Oh my gosh! I see it. It's running across the road right here. We gotta get rolled down like right now. I don't know if I'll get there in time. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's coming straight up.
Has issued a tornado warning for Mondino County in north central Kisota. Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near. Doppler radar shows this tornado is moving northeast
I
at
don't know.
50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Deltoid. Heavy rainfall may bind this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Take cover now. To an interior Vermont storm. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to a substantial shelter and
The wind's down.
flying
You're not
range.
fun. This thing is actually so scary. Oh, here it comes! We're straight into it! Oh crap! We need to get out of here. Like right now. Where's our rope? Camera. Get a camera. Holy cow. The winds were 117. It was 40 minutes. Okay, again. Holy cow. Who's not expecting this video?
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
We get severe thunderstorm.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing Gulf Crosshail. Dangerous storm was located near Deltoid, 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include rear protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain.
Let's see how close it is.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
It looks like there's no more storms. It's all across the map. There's no more storms. Yeah, a tornado's going back up in the sky. Look right here. That's off the map. Yep, it just died. You can't but like to I held it somehow all the way up.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
This game is so fun. You guys
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour.
2 days.
Baseball-size hail located near Haldoid, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Locations impacted include: if you are in the path of this storm, move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of causing severe injury and significant property damage. Heavy rain flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
We get our Dominator 1 and 3 and radar trucks. That'd be so cool. We're gonna go on the side of the road here.